Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make mok gai steamed chicken. I'm gonna show you how to do this. I prep all the chicken right here. I make a lot because I give to my family so everybody can share some. So I'm gonna show you how to seasoning. This is mok gai, okay? I cut everything small piece, everything ready, and here come the herb. Okay, this is hot pepper. This is a charlotte, what call red onion, small little red onion. This is key lime leaf. This is ginger, and this is garlic and lemongrass. I got all the herb with me, guys. This is healthy to cooking food like a medicine, and eat and healthy and feeling good. I'm gonna show you how to seasoning this, okay? Okay, every time when I try to cook food, I have to prep, make myself easy. I prep everything, and I prep this. I'm gonna go ahead. Red onion, hot pepper, lemongrass, garlic, and ginger, and lime. I'm gonna go ahead put in here everything in here, okay? Just rice powder. Rice powders. I put this on to make that my food stick together. So okay, add all the water right there. Okay, rice powder. Put them together. I already mixed, so go ahead put in here. Yep, put all in here. Okay, the sugar. The seasoning gonna be the sugar. Just put a little bit for taste, okay? Fish sauce. Gonna go ahead put in here like 3, 4, 5 spoons. Okay, that's it. It's not enough. I always add on. This is padek and padek there. Put in here. Okay, that's about 4 spoons. Salt. Just tap a little bit. About 2 spoons. This is chicken broth powder. Just put in here, make a good taste, about 2 big spoons. One more, make a good taste. Okay, this egg, I'm gonna add on 2 eggs, guys. 2 eggs. Yep. Yep. Just like that. Go ahead, mix. Put them, get the flavor in together, seasoning very well. Oh, smells so good. Even I don't cook yet. Smells so delicious. Oh my god. Smell the herb, guys. Smell everything. This is kicking my nose. I'm hungry now. Okay, I add one more hot pepper because I like spicy. This is gonna be yum. Look at this, guys. Okay, mok gai. Alright, last ingredient gonna be meat and veal. Okay, this is already get ready to steam. I'm gonna show you how to wrap and then steam this one, okay? Alright. This is all the vegetables I'm gonna put in. Spring onion going down. Spring onion first. And dill. Okay guys. This is very healthy. Okay, let's start seasoning. Okay, dill is in. When you make seasoning, everything, the way you let it taste, then you got the taste of everything, and you add on the veal and spring onion in here. Okay guys, this is gonna be good and yum. Cooking. Okay, smells so good. I can't wait to eat this. Alright, this is already everything in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and steam. So you have to wrap it and steam with banana leaf. โอเคหมกไก่แล้วพวกเจ้าเป็นตาแซ่บเนาะสิหมกให้เบิ่งเด้อ I'm gonna show you how to wrap this หมกไก่ okay very good that chicken herb so I'm gonna steam this one right here. I got this part. I'm gonna show you how to steam this. Turn the stove on to steam. I have banana leaf right here, guys. I bought this $2.50 for this whole pack. You can do a lot of this. Okay, this is banana leaf right here. I use 2 because protect don't get spilled. This. Okay, let me start. Put it in here. Just like that. And let's just wrap, you know. And then I'll show you how to wrap it. These 2 sides together like that, and then you go like this. You go like that. Let's look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Just like that. That's so easy. Yes, like that. And this is muk like this, right? And I'm gonna using toothpick right here. Not beautiful, but it's okay, you know. Look at this. Done. Just like that. Okay. First, the water boiling right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Steam in here. Steam in here, guys. Just like that, okay? Just like that. Cover. I will say about half hour. Keep going to do this until I finish, okay? Keep going. It's so clear. I just want to get my cards. Enough. Scrap this together like that. Just like that, okay? And then grab this together like that. See, just like that. And grab both sides. Beautiful. I love this. I love it. Okay. Just two right here. Ta-da! See that? Done? See that? Now, gotta go ahead and put in the steam. That's two right there. Cover up. Keep going. Like that. I'm gonna put here first, but it's too hard for me. Oh, hold on. Yes, this is hard to pick in here, but it's okay. I'll break it out. Break it out. Too big. It's okay. I'll break it out. Yep, break it out. Yep. Just like that. It's good. Okay. Put three. Okay, let's steam three. Yep, that's good like that. Yep, keep going. I have fun though. I love it. I love this old-fashioned way, but the banana flavor, the banana leaf is to make the food have flavor. Now I get better and better. Oh yes, I get better and better. Sexy, huh? Beautiful. Look at this. Let's get four in there. I fit four. Fit in four. Yep. Let's get in four. Okay. Yep. Steam for half hour. Let's show you after they cook. Okay. Okay. Let me see. It's done. Oh, okay. Done right now. Gonna show you. I'm gonna open. See how they good. Okay. เอาออกมาดูสิมึงดูปะนี่นะหมกไก่2 3 4มาเดินมากินเด้อ Come on, let's go eat. Okay, let's see. Open it up. Wow, look at this. See that? หมกไก่เด้อเพื่อนๆทั้งหลายหมกไก่มากินน้ำกันเด้อ Okay, come on, let's go eat with me. Steam chicken. Then another one. So good, look at this. Wow. Okay, this is steamed rice. And I'm gonna go ahead put this mokka in here. Just like that. See that? And here. Very good. Then let's go. Keep this juice.มาเด้อมากินหมกแกน้ำกันโอเคเพื่อนๆทั้งหลายมาเด้อ Very good. Come on, let's go. Come on, eat with me.